Jupiter transit in Gemini 2025 to 2026 predictions for Sagittarius moon sign. General overview. If you have Sagittarius as your moon sign, the transit will take place in the 7th house from your moon sign. Jupiter's transit in Gemini is expected to take place at 2:30 am on 15th May 2025 and continue till 2nd June 2026. During this transit, Jupiter will aspect your 11th house, 2nd house, and 4th house. During this period, various obstacles will likely stand between you and your career growth. These hurdles may arise from an array of features in the workplace. You should recognize that patience will be of the essence as you progress through the given phase. It becomes necessary that you develop a good rapport with the office management, as it is very important in your growth and promotion within the organization. The office administration's backing on all chances can hugely affect your career choices, including fresh openings. You need to invest in establishing credibility with them. Patience will result in an understanding of their expectations and requirements. This will assist you in aligning your personal objectives with the organization's goals. While you are at this instance, make communication your major point. This time period is marked by happiness and well-being in relationships with your love partner. You are likely to find common interests that will lead the two of you to grow closely together. Sharing some experiences and discussing your dreams together will surely enhance the bond, as it will lead to a fulfilling partnership. Warm and happy interaction with children and aged relatives. A treasure of memories created through shared pastimes and deep discussions. Therefore, family bonds will grow even tighter during this period, making everyone very happy. This era represents a time of happiness and satisfaction in relationships with your beloved one. You will likely find common interests that will help grow the two of you very close to each other. Experiences and the discussions of your dreams are sure to strengthen the bond and make for fulfilling togetherness. The warm and twinkling days with children and elderly relatives. This will surely make family ties closer during this period and make everybody very happy. It is an excellent chance for the students to score exceptionally good grades. This time will be more auspicious for academic success with diligence and good study techniques. Help from family and teachers will also support their endeavors in studies. As far as finances go, you will be wise and progress. You will manage your finances wisely and, as a result, will find the present situation to be increasing savings and investments. Your maturing trend will give you a sense of confidence and assurance in your financial decisions. Career. Many challenges await you during this period of professional development. These might encompass a variety of aspects of the workplace. It is also important to realize that you will need to cultivate much patience while even passing through this phase. Establishing a proper rapport with the office management is of great significance. Individually, this relationship is very critical to your growth and advancement. Management does have a loud voice that could pencil your professional path, and their backing could help you access new avenues. Investing time in establishing trust with them is very important. By being patient, you will understand their expectations and interests better. This understanding can enable you to align your goals with those of the organization. Along with these issues, keep in mind that effective communication should be prioritized. Love, family, and relationship. You will have nice and impressive times with your senior family members. You will partake in experiences that manifest love and respect. You will be able to talk comfortably and close each passing day. Family gatherings will be bright, as everybody's heart is filled with will. You will find support and empathy towards one another through these relationships. Additionally, this relationship with your faithful partner will be very joyous and fulfilling. You will find joy in each other's company, cherish beautiful moments filled with happiness and love. Your mutual interests will lend credence to your relationship and deepen attachments. With each loving day, the trust and love established shall grow. Married partner. Your marriage is meant to be blessed with the joy of ascendance. Your unique relationship will be full of happiness into your interactions together. When you share your thoughts with each other, great memories of joy and genuine understanding will be created. The love will gift such moments with further qualities. Together, shared laughter and deeper bonding can form an uplifting atmosphere. You should look forward to great experiences and meaningful conversations. They will fill your togetherness with joy and pleasure, and the love will provide further treasure of memories. This relationship will bring you richer ties together, which you both will eternally treasure. Finance. You are presently in a sound financial position and a good one to base prudent decisions for investment. The perfect time has come to explore channels for potentially augmenting your wealth. Your safety comes from backing instilled in you by parents, siblings, and sometimes other relatives or friends in executing your financial aspirations. They'll give you that much-needed boost as well as assist you in negotiating your way around investment issues. And to realize it, they can play both a safe assurance and a source of further motivation as you try to widen your financial horizons. Thus, you will be setting out to take some bold risks that can bear huge dividends in time to come. In essence, your present situation provides an advantage to set basis for great strides forward in achieving financial success. Education. Students in the basic and secondary school start with quite an ambition on their shoulders with respect to their results. It is the same with undergraduate students who desirably chase dreams for great results of challenges. Their achievement continues still for graduate studies, which makes quite a trend in their specific careers. This, therefore, opens global possibilities for international education seekers to apply for a student visa. Approval of that comes through will broaden the international exposure and education avenues. Research students work extra to finish their theses. Also, outside recognition by the world of academia is crucial for academic affirmation. This, thereof, requires hard work, careful planning, and dedication to quality research itself. If successful, this lays the groundwork for the establishment of a production shop for future success and expansion in academic and professional avenues. Health. You may have some minor health issues, like headaches or colds. They are not very serious, but they can be annoying. Healing may be quick, though. Most of the minor health problems are likely to be resolved within a few days or be cured with some home remedies. Try to drink lots of water and get enough rest. Listen to your body and allow it to heal. Remedies. Wear yellow-colored costume on Fridays. Wear white-colored costume on Sundays. Offer prayers to Dakshana Murthy once a month on Friday. Chant Om Guruvaya Namah mantra for 15 times daily morning.